it's probably raining right now. Can you see?
Oh, awesome.
Oh yeah, it's probably raining.
Oh, it's wet here. It's dirty here. Yuck. Grandma, I forgot to bring my shoes. I forgot.
Look how it's wet.
Give me all, Grandma. Let me hold this for just a second.
Okay, I'll go hold your stuffed animal since.
Grandma, give me all. I gotta get my feet washed. And then.
Hey, Grandma. I'm recording.
Hey.
Ow! My stupid little tire. Ugh. Whoa! Ooh, the wind's so cold. Can you feel that? What in the? No, it's all right. It's all right. I'm not going to get.
Eric, did you hear me? Let's go.
I'm not going to. Oh my goodness, Grandma.
Thank you, Mommy.
It's almost from about like 2 minutes. Ow! I almost slipped. Well, now it's 2 minutes. Whew. This wind's so cold.
I know. Dad, why are you bringing that out? Okay.
Well, Grandma, you don't need to get that coat on. Oh! Holy cow, the wind's pushing the leaves off.
Hi,
Here.
Bobby.
Kels, hold your stuffed animal. Oh!
Ow.
Whoa! Whoa! The wind's pushing the leaves away.
I'm up high.
Yeah, push one leaf away. Well, I'm not so sure about the other ones. Oh no, here it comes. Here it comes. Here comes the little stupid wind. What the?
Stop my face.
Your face. No, I only have one leg. I only have one leg, Grandma. You make me go crazy. Well, now it's like 3 minutes and 50 seconds.
Ow.
3 minutes and 55 seconds.
Hold this.
This is worth for about like a mile in Grandma's car. This little timer right here, can you see it?
God, can you bring the chair over?
Well, the YouTubers cannot see it. Well, yeah, you can below the little red line thing. Oh, jeez. 4 minutes and 20. You say YouTubers.
Poopers.
No, YouTubers. Now stop saying that.
Grandma, bring the chair over here.
No, I'm right here.
I'm gonna have to go clean I have one leg. What did you do to me, Cal? You knocked my other leg off. Ooh, now I can walk at all. No, now I can only walk with my only walk with my head. Hey, I can only walk with my head. Five minutes and 16 seconds. I felt one raindrop on my nose.
I'll do that to the trees.
Well, then I'm gonna do it to the trees. Don't even kick me. I'm gonna kick you right back. Kels, what are you doing to me?
Play in the rain.
Is the phone alright?
Better be.
Well, it's alright. I can tell because it's not broken. Yep, it's just fine. It's fine, definitely. Hey, Grandma, that was fine. It's fine.
Look
Right.
at the back of it. Clean the back of it off. Boy,
Come on, Grandma, you have a chance. Come on, Grandma, you have a chance. Yeah.
I said I can't play my
I made the chair backwards. Holy cow. Oh. This is cool.
Sarah, put the stick down.
Why? What do you mean? Dodger! Why are you going range? You're going range on me again. Well, like the first video, my sister got wet a lot. We're coming! We're coming back! Stop!
Up here, we're going in.
Kels, did you just step in a poison ivy? No!
Stay up here or we're going in.
I am. This time. You never listen to me. You never listen to me. Oh my, I smacked her when she was... Grandma, how come you escaped the poison ivy? Ah, my shoes! After done.
Kelsey, give me your shoe. Kelsey, give me your shoe. Put your shoes back on.
We have a band-aid in
It's in none of your beeswax. Why do you just...
Sarah, get your shoes back on.
So bleeding. Hang on, guys. You stay right here. Oh my god, I need a Band-Aid. Here's a Band-Aid. gonna go put it on. I'm just so it will stop bleeding.
Yes, Grandma, just kidding. You know I would throw it away. Go swim.
Here, Band-Aid. Any Band-Aids? Oh no, it's still bleeding. Okay. Can you open the Band-Aid for me?
Sure, I can.
I cannot. Oh yeah, well here's another Band-Aid.
I can open this for you. I can. You see.
No, I'll go open these ones.
Why?
Because they're more a little bit tinier than they are. I ripped it. It's a little tiny pod. There's lots of blood. Ah! Band-Aids. Alright, Grandma, I guess we better go outside again.
Now we gotta sleep. Now I gotta get Papa something to eat.
Okay.
Bye, you forgot
Bye.
to close the door.